Hello everyone. So today is the day I got Google Bard access, and I've been playing around with it since morning. I thought I should give you guys a run through what I learned so far. The first thing, the nice interface is very fast. Of course, Google it is. I ran through one experiment. I run a software development agency, so more about I read a book this morning and I was trying to find out what it gives me. I ran the same experiment with um, GPT-4 and Bing. First of all, Bing really does not give you that much. I don't know whether what happened initially, but new Bing is providing me nothing literally. It gives me nothing, a book summary for some reason. So let's go over this quickly. As you can see on the screen, what is here right now, when I ask about give me a book summary, it's okay. I would not say it's amazing. Um, GPT-4, GPT 3.5 had a better thing since I have read the books. It's very generic. And then I started putting my comment. And this is where all these GPT-4 and everything is more productive if you have your ideas and if you want to implement. So I basically said that I run a software development company and I put hypothesis that we are struggling to get new leads based on the book. Write me 10 actionable plan based on this book and personalize using our industry, right? It completely ignored this one, a software development agency, even though if I said it personalized using our industry. So it gave me basically 10 actionable things, but they are very generic, nothing unique about it. GPT-4 probably little better. I would not say really amazing. Then I want to personalize it. And I said, I'm a CEO and manager of business development team. I want to send email to my business development team, suggesting them what they should do to get more leads. Also add language to motivate them. It is little better at the language itself is little more better because I think GPT-4 has a problem that it gives you the same language. After a while, I think I can predict it, which is written by GPT-4. Since it is a new tool, I'm not sure about it. So it gave me but interesting fact here that it started ignoring certain things like number one here it did not include on the email. So and again these are the areas where I'm asking in a little bit of more example, more better solution, and then I had to ask him that personalize it for my software development agency, quality assurance service for all these things. Again, this is pretty generic. I would not do this email to my team. Then I said, you forgot this, and that's what it is right now. So while you guys are here, I'm going to write down that give me 5 stories from the book. Sometimes the stories are, which is, you want to share with people on GPT-4. This is one thing I do. Uh, it looks like it is slowing down, but I want to make sure that. Oh, okay. Um, so this is good. This is what GPT or any kind of AI tool should do, right? But personalization wise, I would give out of 10 probably 5. GPT-4 probably 7 or 8. So this is my quick review. I'm going to put more examples and more videos in later today or tomorrow. Thank you, everyone.